Hey guys, Running Kimono here. So in today's video, we're going to go through some of the 90% clearance I have been finding at Walgreens stores. And this is quite the little thing because I've never seen like huge sections go on 90% week after week after week. So if you like to look for deals, this is going to be a great video for you. But before we dive into it, if you could please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a big old thumbs up. Really helps out with the old YouTube algorithm. Thanks so much, guys. So a couple ground rules for you guys. This is always your mileage may vary. What might be on clearance here in Michigan might be completely different in like California, for example. And always look for those orange tags. That's specifically where you'll find all the information. And really 90% is quite a bit off. And usually on Tuesdays or Saturdays, that's when things get reduced down. So the first pocket of clearance we're going to look for is right in the acid reducer stomach medication, that aisle. So specifically there, that's where we're going to be looking. Lots of supplements such as men's vitamins. So, you know, like one section is acid reducer and then you turn around and it's all vitamins, like that area if your Walgreens is laid out. These VitaFusion organic vitamins for men, lots of men's supplements is on clearance, $1.69 from $16.99. Now we have men's supplements by Rainbow Light for $1.69. Again, the savings is quite drastic, and I believe that's a multivitamin. And then there were some prenatal vitamins as well for $2.29. And also I found this calm. So I don't know what this is. It's some sort of powder that you drink and you're instantly calm. I should actually grab some of that for $1.49, 90% off. And then the Walgreens brand label, lots of vitamins and like supplements for your diet. This one, niacin, I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, for $1.09. And then just more supplements for $1.59. What a drop right there from $15.49. And the final one, we have some fiber lax, so more in the, aisle for acid, stomach relief, that sort of stuff. This is $1.69 from $16.99, so that is some significant savings right there. Lots of the supplements in the workout section. So in the same neighborhood, we have some hydration for $1.29. And then right near that, there was also this, which is Hydrolyte, another hydration thing for $4.99. So this guy was only 50% off. The rest of the stuff was closer to $90. And we have some stool softener for $1.79, so like almost 18 bucks. Check the expiry date. Maybe that's something to pick up. And with that, we have a side of this hemorrhoidal cream. It's not Preparation H, but at 90% off for 89 cents, I even picked one of those up because I'm like, you never know when you might need something like that, you know? You never know. And then with that, I mean, if you need one of these, an enema for 32 cents. They're really not that much though at $3.29, but if you need this, you know, if you're not feeling well, you absolutely need this for your pantry. And we have some probiotics for $2.19 from $21.99 down to $2.19. So lots of the stuff like internal medicine, gut health, that sort of stuff. Like that's all the stuff that's 90% off. And a lot of this is preference to your household. And then for little ones out there, there is this supplement, a child suppository for little ones. So I guess it's probably a lot milder than like an adult dose. And this was also a really good find, is this Epsom salt for 19 cents. And this is also to help regulate if you have like extreme constipation, something like that. But you never know when you might need it. And if you have like a grandparent or somebody elderly, they might be able to use this as well. Maybe it's easier than taking a supplement. And also heartburn relief for 94 cents, down from $9.49. I visited 2 different stores and both stores had it for this price. Some stores had items for one price and then another store it was like 80% or 90%, but this was universal. And then the Imodium, this is a steal of a deal from $6.99 down to 69 cents. And I think most of us have had a touch of, stomach cramping or upset stomach, that sort of stuff. So for 69 cents, that is cheaper than generic, and what a great deal that is. Now in the as seen on TV section, lots of this stuff was $10 off. Now I'm thinking in the next couple of weeks, will this drop even more? Possibly, maybe. I'm thinking hopefully. So $39.99 for this workstation, down to $29.99. So some savings right there. And there was a lot of it. We have this glow-in-the-dark art from $19.99 to $14.99. So as you can see from a lot of these stickers, it's 25% off. I mean, I would love to see it for 50 or 90. The stuff would be all gone at 90. And then we have this socket shelf. This actually looks like a really decent product at $22.49, down from almost $30. And we all have an area in our home that's really hard to get electricity to, so maybe that would be something to pick up when it hits 50. And then more As Seen on TV, solar powered, some sort of bright light, so sunblast. They always think of the most creative names. And this guy was actually 50% off. So as you can see from the sticker, it went from $19.99 down to $9.99. So not the worst price I've ever seen. And then more As Seen, it's another powerful lamp. This one's for more of a mechanic, down from $19.99 down to $9.99. I think anybody with a garage would probably need one of those. And then the final item from As Seen on TV, this one kind of interests me. It's these lids that you could put on anything. So this is 25% off. So it's at $7.49 down from $9.99. So not a bad little drop in prices right there. Okay, and now we have some fancy butter cookies for $1.39. So the price was $5.29. A couple of the stores that I visited, and I looked at the tins, because that's what I do. A lot of the tins were dinged up. So if you're going to keep these for next Christmas, you might not want to buy them. And a lot of them are going to be expiring within the month as well. But this guy was $1.39. You'll be happy to know I didn't buy a single one because I'm like, I don't need it. But still, like, you know, super cute, $1.39. Why not? A lot of skincare that was 25% off, including the Olay line. Now, if you guys remember, we have a dollar digital that would attach to this, but that's still quite spendy out of pocket. I know that Rite Aid specifically has a lot of this stuff at 75% off, so you might want to head over there if you have a Rite Aid near you. Also, these serums, like $20.49. That's very small savings, even with that dollar coupon. We have a beauty event from the 20th to the 22nd. If you wanted to grab some of this and call it a basket, that might be something for these fancier lotions. And then this company, Your Good Bar, 25% off, and they had different little items, but $7.49 down to $5.79. Not the biggest savings for makeup wipes, that's for sure. And then I went back into the regular clearance section and I saw a bunch of the Pedialyte for $1.99. I think that stuff is usually closer to like $10. It's pretty expensive, and they had a whole bunch of different flavors, you know, electrolytes for your kids. So you might want to see if you might have coupons for that, even possibly a cheapie or a freebie. And then also another baby product include the Highlands. It's like a cold medication. It was $9.99 down to $5.49, so like 50% off. And then the final item that I also found in clearance is these Depends adult diapers for $7.49. I know there's a ton of coupons floating around, and also with Fetch Rewards app, they always give back points for this. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.